Hello everyone! Looking for a healthy yet delicious pizza recipe? You are in the right place. In this video, I am sharing a step-by-step recipe for a whole wheat pizza made with a soft and nutritious dough. Perfect for a wholesome lunch or dinner, this pizza is loaded with colorful veggies along with melty cheese and a flavorful punch. So let's begin. In a large bowl, take whole wheat flour and add active dry yeast to it. Mix in some sugar, little salt and a good drizzle of olive oil. Combine everything together. To this mix, add some flaxmeal. This will add a healthy twist to the crust, making it more nutritious. Now slowly add warm milk and water mixture and knead it into a soft and smooth dough. The detailed recipe is given in the description box. Make sure to check it out there. I have used a stand mixer to knead the dough and I am kneading it for around 10 minutes. Grease a bowl with some olive oil. Bring the dough together, cover and let it sit for 1 hour until it doubles in size. Make sure to place the bowl in a warm place. The dough has rested for an hour or so. Punch the dough to release air. Always dust your platform with some flour before placing the dough. Now divide the dough into portions. Take one part and roll it out evenly on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Prick the crust using a fork to prevent the dough from rising further. For the sauce, you can go with store-bought or make a quick homemade version with tomatoes, garlic and herbs. Spread the sauce generously. Now layer your veggies. I am using chopped bell peppers, sweet peppers, onions, sweet corn, mushrooms and olives. For the flavorful punch, I am topping this pizza with tandoori marinated paneer cubes. You can also add little pineapple chunks for a fresh twist. Seasoning the veggies with some mixed herbs, garlic salt and oregano here. Sprinkle a generous amount of cheese on top You can use mozzarella or a blend of your favorites. I am using mozzarella and cheddar. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pizza for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Trust me, the aroma in your kitchen will be irresistible. And there you have it, a homemade, healthy and super flavorful whole wheat pizza with the goodness of flaxmeal. I hope you like this bake. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such wholesome recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy baking!